Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a cootie catcher out of one piece of paper and one pair of scissors. And if you want, a couple of colors. Okay, so we start with one piece of paper and we just fold it like this. So there's a triangle here. And make sure that it doesn't go all from one quarter of the page to the other. It has to go like a little bit of the ways, or quite a bit of the ways, but then stop. So that it's like, if you unfolded it, it would be a square like this. Okay, so then with this strip of paper here, you're going to cut this off. Like this. Get all the way up to the edge of the folded thingy. I got a little way past an accent, so it's like that. It's just a triangle. Okay, you're gonna unfold that triangle so it's a square. And then, so this goes right down the middle. And then you're gonna make so we have a vertical line already, now we're gonna make a horizontal line, or a horizontal line. Trace it really good with your fingernail, because like if you trace it really good, then you're gonna get like a really nice cootie catcher or fortune teller. Okay, so after that, so you should have a square with two lines going down the middle that look like an S and an X. So you're gonna fold this here to this here, just like this. Okay, you're gonna crease it real good, and you're gonna do that on all four sides. I'm gonna move this out of the way. Okay, so once you got this, gotta crease it. Always crease it really good. Okay, so you're gonna flip your paper over. So on this side, you should have four squares, like a plus sign going down the middle of the square. See, like this. Okay, so then you're gonna do basically the same thing you did with the other side, except in the squares. So you're gonna fold it from here to here. And you're going to do that on all four sides. Okay, so now that you've done that, you have to crease it. Always have to crease it. Okay, so now on the side, it should look like this. And on this side, it should look like this. So we're almost done, and this is the point where you have to choose if you're gonna draw on it, if you're gonna be like two eyes here and a mouth and tongue here. So I'm just gonna leave mine plain because it's just a tutorial. So this is either the easiest or the hardest part. It's like both, kinda. So you're gonna wanna fold down the middle and kind of try to make a crease here. You don't really need too good of a crease. And like this, the other way also. Okay, so now you've done that, you're gonna fold it this way. You're gonna push here, so it's kind of like a plus sign. And you're gonna pull this out like that. And then this out. And then this out. And finally, this out. So then we have a cootie catcher. This is kind of like off. So like you see how it's kind of off. So like the mouth looks like it's kind of more this way. You want it to be more this way, and so you like try to push it so it looks normal. You push it this way, and then flip it around and like crease all of these lines, and then flip it back, and it should be about like that. And if you want it to be really perfect, then good luck spending a couple hours on that. So that's how you make a cootie catcher. Here's all the different cootie catchers that I have made. I have a rainbow one, a Halloween one, a full colored one, nothing one, and a teeny tiny one.